Looking at LMND,
Hey, what's up?
your favorite stock.
What's he doing with it?
No game plan, but we're gonna just say
nice. Love it.
we're gonna say he wants to buy 88 versus today's low.
Ah, man. Maybe. I mean, we'll have to see. We'll have to see how the volume comes in. This name, so what this name does really well, and I've learned how this name trades really well. It's like it'll have low volume, and it won't really show you the volume, and then it'll take out the day's highs. Like it did Friday so perfectly. I'll show you. All right. So what this name does really well is that it sneaks volume in, where it doesn't. It looks like it's gonna have a really quiet day, and this is very important if you're gonna trade the name actively. You have to learn how these names trade really well. That's why I've been able to do so well with this name. But so you look at Friday, it doesn't look like much is going on. It has this little 80, 81 level on the intraday chart. This 15 minute, this 30 minute, whatever. So then we see it takes out highs, and it had a really quiet day at this point. And then we see this volume. You see this volume right here as it takes out that 80, 81 area. That's how you know the stock's going to take off. So for me, this name is very volume dependent. If we see that volume come in, that's when you start buying the stock. Don't just buy it at a random price point, unless you're buying against support. Then you can. But for me, this one needs a lot of volume. All right, next.
Yeah, so we're gonna for Ping Z. He actually has all names are in play, which is pretty key. He's Lemonade, mRNA, Space, Tesla, and Microsoft. So the names that are on his radar are these names that are in play.